we are going to start revision of new chapter, that is safety first. This chapter already I have explained nicely to you. Okay, so you can watch those video earlier what I have posted. Now today we are only taking the objective, subjective and diagrams question, that only we will discuss in the revision. Okay, what you have to do, children, you have to read the chapter thoroughly. This chapter 3 you read line by line, and when whatever you are not understanding you can ask also, ma'am, I have not understand these things, because already I have explained this chapter. So you can go through the video, you can go through the book and nicely you complete this chapter. Okay, now we are going to start from today only. First we will do some objective question here, because in examination, children, you know there is objective question will also come, where you will get 4 options. You have to take the correct option, and there will be the subjective question where you have to answer in statement. Okay, maybe it will long answer, short answer, flow diagram, or there will be the diagrams also. Maybe it will attach with the question, maybe it will ask separately. So you practice all the diagrams, question and answer, internal question, everything. Okay, so first we are taking here some objective question. Stay away from, this is a safety first. Already I have explained the chapter, children. In this safety first chapter we have learned the safety rules at school, at home, on road, in playground. Okay, what rules we have to follow. Okay, in school what we have to follow, at home what we have to follow to avoid accident, because accident happen due to carelessness only. If you are careful, there will be no accident. Okay, by chance it can be, but be careful. Okay, so we have to follow some rules. So what we have to do here, first of all, stay away from electric heater, beds, toys, or all of them. Stay away with toys now. Answer is electric heater. Okay, answer is electric heater, because we can get electric shock or anything. So it is better to stay away from electric heater. To reach for some time, something placed high. Okay, something is kept up high sides. To reach to that place, what we have to do? Chair placed over table. Place chair over the table, that we have to do. Or we have to use a step ladder, or we have to use a rope, or any of them. Either we can use rope, or we can use a step ladder, or we can keep a chair over the table. What you have to do? Always use step ladder. Okay, if you want to avoid accident, what you have to do? You have to use step ladder. So answer is step ladder. Third question is to reduce itching. Okay, you have seen there is a itching sometimes. To reduce the itching due to insect bite also, it can be itching. So reduce itching, what we are using? Dettol we are using, calamine lotion we are using, Bernol we are using, or water we are using. Any appropriate, most perfect answer of out this 4 options, what you think? What is the correct option? That is calamine lotion. We should use calamine lotion. Now to cross the road, use a zebra crossing. Either you use zebra crossing, or you use subway, or you use over bridge, or any of them. Here the answer is any of them, because either we can cross the road by zebra crossing, or we can cross the road by subway. In Bangalore, from the bus stand to railway station, we are using subway only to cross the road, or either we can use a overbridge. In Sikkim or somewhere you will see many places there is a overbridge to cross the road. Generally in hilly area, because it is very difficult for vehicle to stop over there. So it is better for crossing, they are using overbridge. First aid cannot be given at home. Okay, first aid cannot be given at home for what? Minor one, heart attack, cuts or insect bite. For heart attack, we can't able to give first aid, okay? For heart attack, there is no first aid. So, the answer is heart attack. Now, here is the true and false. Stay calm while giving first aid. Yes, stay calm always. Not only for giving first aid, in study time, in examination time, everywhere, okay? And definitely, during giving first aid, you stay calm. So, that is true. Do not touch electric gadget with wet hands. Yes, of course, do not touch electric gadget with wet hands. That is also true. Wear synthetic clothes while burning cracker on Diwali. No, never wear synthetic clothes when you are near to fire or fireworks. We are using cotton clothes. So this is false statement. If a person faints, make him lie down with his leg higher than the body. Yes, of course, it is right. So this statement is true because it will increase the supply of oxygen to the brain. Blood supply to the brain it will increase, and oxygen also. So it is good. So it is the right answer statement. Answer: always keep the floor of the bathroom and kitchen dry. Yes. Always keep the floor of bathroom and kitchen dry, otherwise accident can take place. We can slip over there, and it happened with me also, okay, once. So always keep the floor of bathroom and kitchen dry. That is true statement. It is right. Now here is the match the following. So here we will match the following. During sparking, what we will do? We will turn off the main switch. That only we have to do. Okay. During sparking, we have to turn off the main switch. Poisonous chemical, keep them high. We have to keep it high now, out of reach of children. So keep them at high place. Gas stove, get them checked for leakage. Always you check it for leakage, because very dangerous accident can take place with the gas. Gas is good also, but if we are careless, it is very, very dangerous. While traveling in a car, what we have to do? Wear seat belt. We have to wear seat belt. To reduce swelling, apply an ice pack. We are applying ice pack to reduce the swelling. Now here is some more oral question. Wear synthetic clothes while burning cracker. True or false? False. Okay. Just now we discussed this question. Do not touch electric switch with wet hand. True or false? False. True. Okay. Do not touch electric switch with wet hand. That is true. Okay. Absolutely true. We never touch electric switch by wet hand. Okay. That is true statement. Leave toys and shoes scattered over the floor. Scatter means scattering everywhere. You used to scatter your toys everywhere now. So don't do. It is a false statement. Never. No. Okay. Otherwise anyone can trip on it and they can slip. Accident can take place. Okay. So never leave scattering over your toys, shoes. Use a step ladder to reach the object that is placed high. Yes, we should use step ladder to reach a high place. Now children, do not play with dash object like blades and compass. Do not play now with blade and compass. What type of object? Play with sharp object. What will you say? Sharp object. Now cross the road at the dash crossing. In the fill in the blanks, what you will write? Zebra crossing. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Wear a dash while traveling on a two-wheeler. When we are traveling in two-wheeler like bike, scooter, what we are using? We are using helmet. So wear helmet. What is the answer? Helmet. Wear helmet while traveling on a two-wheeler. Driver should follow dash and dash. So driver should follow what? Driver should follow traffic rules now. So drivers should follow traffic lights and Road sign. There is a traffic light now. Driver should follow it and driver should follow the road sign also. So in next class we will discuss about some road sign only, and that traffic light also. I will show the diagram of some road sign here. Now children, please keep on practicing what the question we have discussed here. You please note it down in your copy. Already PDF is given to you beforehand only, and today in the WhatsApp group again it was sent. So please keep on practicing children. Thank you. Have a nice day.